Hello everyone, welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the water pump and we replaced a thermostat. This machine had a problem which was, whenever the machine will ask for an automatic rinse cycle, it will not complete it and it will just loop over and over and over and over. And for the steamer side, this was not producing steam. So we're gonna test it out. Starting with one shot of one cappuccino. Let's do one cappuccino so we can test basically the whole side all at once. And then we just test the hot water and the steamer side later. The machine is gonna heat up a little bit. At the end of the test, we're gonna just turn off the machine, and that will force the machine to do an automatic rinsing cycle, and we'll just conclude the test. We are not using milk unfortunately, since we do not have milk. It's pretty good, siphoning well. Like I said, this is not milk, so it's gonna look a little bit more different compared to how an automatic throttling will be. Pre-infusion. Now the shot. As you can see, good water flow coming out of the spouts. Good color, even though we are using all decaf coffee. Good color, good crema. And just the right amount. And now we're gonna test out this side, starting with the hot water. Nice gentle stream, good pressure, and good temperature as well, pretty hot. And now we're gonna test the steamer. And as well, it's gonna take a little bit for the machine to heat up and build some pressure so we can see some steam coming out through the steam one. As you can see, good pressure coming out of the machine. Really good temperature as well. Working perfectly fine. And now we're gonna turn off the machine. Hopefully the machine will do an automatic rinse cycle so we can see it in action. Let's just give the machine a bit of cool down time because we just did steam, so we don't want it to be too hot. Just that should be enough. Let's turn it off. It's doing the automatic rinsing cycle. And as you see, it completed perfectly. Let's turn it back on. Hopefully it does an automatic rinsing as well. Which is doing it now, perfect. As I say, the machine is a little too hot because we were using the cappuccino side and the steam one side. So it took a little bit longer for the machine to cool down. But as you can see, it's doing the automatic rinsing cycle, no problem. You completed the rinsing cycle. And now the machine is ready to use. So, thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. As you can see, the machine is working perfectly fine, doing the rinsing cycle, providing good pressure on the steam side as well, and working perfectly fine. So thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.